So I have this release. Remember, this is the train that takes everything to prod when everything is ready, okay? And on a certain date if it's scheduled. And we have all these deployment requests. And we see that this deployment request is already ready for deployment. And so let's take a look at how it was structured. Okay. For those of you who investigated ReleaseOps, you know that there's this concept of a deployment request task. So these have generally been, hey, there's been a preview problem, task somebody with resolving it. Hey, there's been a test problem or an instance scan problem, task somebody with addressing it. We worked the Runbook's tasks in the same way. So you'll see that this deployment request had 3 deployment request tasks. Okay, and they're all closed. So one was run fixed scripts for ABC development. Let's see when they were said to have to go. So this one says that it was in the playbook stage of a playbook pipeline stage of assessment, the playbook stage of move to test, and for the runbook activity of after test deployment. This one was the same. It was in the ready for deploy, but before ready for deployment. This was in move to test, but before test development. Let's just map that really quickly back here. So there's that activity before test deployment, before tested deployment. Okay, so this one already went through all of its pipelines tasks on top of all the other manual automation, all the other automation that's going on, and it's already reached a point where it's ready for deployment. So let's go back to our deployment requests again. Here we have a deployment request that's in assessing, reconciliation. So on the release, I'm just going to take a look at all the deployment requests across the release. And so this is for like a release manager to figure out like what's holding up what. Okay, so and they could find out really easily which depend on humans and which are machine based, because this is like a preview issue. This is a runbook one, etc. The runbook ones will tell you like what part of the stage they adhere to. So in this case, notify all UAT stakeholders that ABC is ready to test tomorrow. Okay, that's in the assessment pipeline stage. It's in the move to test playbook stage, and it's waiting on the activity before test deployment.